Hey guys, Tommy Bryson here, and today I'm going to give you guys 3 ways to go out there and earn around $100 every single day without doing that much work, and all it requires is basically some elbow grease and some effort, but it does not require any 48-hour work weeks or any boss or any, for example, hey, wear a uniform because we don't accept any like t-shirts and hoodies. The answer is you're going to be at home and you're going to be doing whatever you actually want to do whenever you actually want to do it. And by the way, I've done all 3 of these, and in reality, if I'm being honest here, the first one made me around $200,000 to $300,000. The second one made me around $50,000, and the third one made me the least amount of money, like around $1,000 to $2,000, and that's about it. But in reality, I've made a lot of money, and all basically from home and doing whatever I want to do when I basically want to do it. And if you guys don't know me, I post videos every single day on YouTube, so you should also subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified, and top of also destroy the like button. Now, the first way to actually go out there and make $100 every single day is by creating a YouTube channel, but not with your face or, for example, your name, or posting videos every single day like I do, like real work and stuff like that. In reality, no. You can go ahead and re-upload content from other channels and music and then post them on your YouTube channel, and then go ahead and make revenue from just basically putting things together, post them on YouTube, and then going ahead and making ad revenue. Now you might say, Tommy, I can't make a lot of money like that because basically I'm going to get copyrighted. But you won't, because basically those people are going to give you permission to go ahead and do this, and then that way you don't get copyrighted whatsoever, and you actually get to keep all of the money. Now, I'm going to show you guys here an example channel that actually does this very, very well. One of the most popular ones out there, okay? And I watch them every single day, and I'm a massive fan of what they actually do, okay? I'm just being honest here. I'm being like a little fangirl, but it's the truth, okay? And here's the channel right here, guys, okay? This channel is called Chilled Cow, and they have around 6.67 million subscribers, and all they do is basically post beats on relaxing music, stress-free music, also study music, and I watch it every single day. And they even have, for example, a permanent live where you actually go to talk to people and also just listen to music while you're studying or doing work. And I do this every single day. But then I realized this, okay? This channel has run 609 million views in total and only posted around 222 videos. On top of that, they post an average of around 7 videos a month, and they get around 42 million views every single month. Now tell me, a lot of views sounds great, but how much money can I actually make by doing this stuff myself? Well, the answer is very simple, guys, okay? And here it is, okay? This channel, according to Social Blade, makes around, here it is, okay, between $94,000 to around $1.5 million every single year. On a monthly basis, that's around between $11K to around $176,000, and they only post around 7 videos every single month. And wait, here are the videos right here, okay? Just basically beats, and that's basically all it is. And I watch them literally like around every single day, and I love the music, okay? I'm just being honest here. But here's how this actually works, okay, guys? All you're doing is basically grabbing royalty-free music and then putting a background to it, put it in as a video, and then going ahead and upload it on YouTube, and that way you start to go ahead and build an audience and actually make money off of it. Now tell me, step by step, how do I actually do this myself? Well, the answer is, guys, I'll show you guys right now, okay? All you have to do is, step 1, download this app right here, okay? It's called TubeBuddy. It's going to basically help you get tags for your entire YouTube videos and also get titles. That way, your videos actually get seen by the algorithm. It's also free, but if you want the paid version, use code TommyBryson. That way you get, for example, like 20 to 30% off or something like that, okay? I use this all the time, by the way. So for example, I can go on YouTube and type in a title, right? And it tells me exactly, Tommy, it's a good title or a bad title, and here are tags to actually use for that video. That way my video actually goes ahead and gets seen, okay? Because the algorithm, that's how it works on YouTube. So go ahead, relaxing music for stress and relief and sleep, right? I search that up, and then right here on this side, TubeBuddy pops up, and it tells me, hey, Tommy, here are the tags you actually want to use when it comes to your videos. I can click here to select all the tags I actually want for my video. Boom, awesome. But here also tells me, for example, hey, here's how many people actually search it up, the competition, and also how optimized your title actually is. And over here also tells me, hey, here are some other titles you can actually use for your entire video. That way, your video actually gets seen, and that way you get a better score, and it's called very good. That when I post, it actually gets seen and actually gets viewed. Now, step number 2 is basically you want to go on Pixels. Now, Pixels basically gives you free backgrounds for your entire video. For example, go on Pixels, you type in background, and you also type in free. That way you get free backgrounds for free, and you download them if you actually want to. For example, I like this video right here. That way when I'm playing my entire song, I get this background, and again, I didn't make it, I didn't shoot it, I just went ahead and copied it over from another website. I play it, for example, and it looks like this, okay? Pretty relaxing, pretty awesome, and all I have to do is click, for example, download. I download it for free, and then boom, I'm good to go. That's mine now, okay? Now, then I go over to Ben Sound. This is step number 3 here. And I download, for example, relaxing music. So just look up, for example, relaxing music here, search it up, and it shows you exactly, hey, here is some relaxing music. And I just basically click, for example, download, and then boom, I can just go ahead and download this music right here, and now boom, now this music is actually mine. I go ahead now that I have, for example, a video for the background and also some music, I put it into my editing software, I loop them together, and that way I get some pretty awesome videos, and I post them every single day. That way, I didn't make music, I didn't create a background, I basically just put them together, posted on YouTube, and basically got some views. And also in around 1 to 3 to 4 months, if you post every single day, you get an audience, some views coming in, and then finally you start to actually go out there and make some extra money. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, all you have to do is get an additional 10 channels on YouTube, right? And look up exactly what they actually do. For example, I know Chill Cow has merch, so I'll make a merch store with Teespring. They have a Spotify, I make a Spotify. They have iTunes, I make an iTunes. They have an Instagram also, I make an Instagram also. And they also have a Discord to build community, right? So I'll make all the stuff they actually have and build my own community. And that way, whatever they do, in a way, I actually do it. And I kind of get the same results over time. It's not going to be overnight, okay? And on top of that, they also have a mascot, right? The mascot is basically the cow and also the Korean girl right here in all their videos. And that way, everyone knows exactly who you are. And that way, you stand out from the competition, because basically, if everyone does this, it won't work. But if you have, for example, a mascot, a whole brand, a community, then people go ahead and watch your videos over everyone else's videos out there. And that's the best way to do it. And by the way, this guy right here, or this girl right here, I don't know who it is. The answer is they have a bunch of other channels also, and also make additional revenue. For example, Dreamy Cow, well, the channel has around 366K, and it gets around 1 million views every single month, and it makes an average of around between 400 to 6K every single year. And if you ask me, that is still a lot of money, and they haven't even posted a video in the last month. So if you ask me, it's a great way to go out there and make some extra money. If you want to edit the videos, use, for example, Movie Maker, or for example, Hit Film Express, which is basically an editing software. And everything I said in this video right here is down below in the description. That way you know exactly how to do it, where to go, step by step. But that is what I would do, is basically, I wanted to make money on YouTube without having to go out there and do a ton of work. That is what I would do. Mascot, have a brand, make an audience, build it up, and I would post videos every single day or twice a day. So that's around 60 videos, around 7 to 10 times more work than Chill Cow does. And that way, I'll get a lot more results than he's actually getting right now. That is exactly what I would do. Now, the second way to actually go out there and make some extra money is basically by flipping phones. And I made between $50 to $150 to $200 whenever I actually bought a phone and sold it for a profit all the time on eBay and also Facebook. And I'll show you guys exactly how to actually do it. But to do this, you're going to need between $100 to $500 to actually get started. Now, here is what you do if you don't have any money whatsoever. This is risky. You start by selling your own phone for a price or premium. Use that money to then go ahead and buy another phone and another phone and another phone and another phone, and that way you actually get started. But for example, if you have a PS4, an Xbox, some Pokemon cards, some sneakers, some clothes, sell all that stuff, okay? Use that money to then go ahead and start this business and then start making some extra money. And then with that money, you can go ahead and buy whatever you actually want to buy whenever you want to buy it. But that way, you're not broke anymore, okay? That's the entire point there. Now, here's exactly what I used to do whenever I was actually flipping phones all the time. What I want to do is this, okay? I want to go on eBay and you want to search up exactly the phone you actually want to start flipping. Now my phone is going to be like around an iPhone X 256 gig, and it has to be unlocked. I like unlocked phones. That was a lot easier to actually sell. You click unlocked, but you don't want to see this, guys, okay? Because although this is pretty cool, hey, it sells for 465 or 365. In reality, what you want to see is exactly what it already sold for. So just go down to where it says, for example, show only, and click sold items and also completed items. And it'll show you exactly what they actually sold for in the market currently. In this case, iPhone X 56 gig sold for 385, 360, 350, 350, 375, 405, 329. So I know for a fact there's some between 350 to around 375. And if you have, for example, a box, it goes for a little bit more money. But that's the entire idea. Now, Tommy, how do I go ahead and find them? Now I know exactly how much I'm selling for. The answer is just go on Facebook and look up again iPhone X 256 gig and shows you here exactly how much you're actually selling for. In this case, they go for around between $300, $375 to $450. What you want to do is basically buy a phone for a discount, right? And then go ahead and sell on eBay for a profit. In this case, okay, this phone right here has a cracked screen, selling for $300. I can go ahead and say, for example, hey, I'll give you $200 or $250. Buy for $250. Buy to $250. Go on this website right here called Fix Easy, and then basically just go ahead and buy an iPhone X screen for around $37 or $40. Fix the screen. So now I'm down for around $240 that I actually put down for that phone, and then go ahead and sell it on eBay for around $375 or $400 and make a profit. Also, secret tip here: go on entire eBay and look up, for example, iPhone X box and accessories, okay? And this way you can actually buy the entire box for like $10 or $24, and that way people say, for example, hey, this phone is in excellent condition, why wouldn't I want to buy it? And that way you can go ahead and buy it for a discount. That's what I would do if I actually wanted to flip phones on the internet, okay? Now again, use Facebook to actually buy phones, or Craigslist, or OfferUp, or Mercari, or for example Postmark, whatever is available to you. Use it to buy phones, but also use eBay to judge exactly what is actually selling for, okay? Sold items and completed items, that way you know exactly what sold and what wasn't actually returned. Don't go based on, hey, it usually sells for this price. No, go based on what it actually sold for in the history of the entire market. That way you know exactly what to buy for and what to sell for, okay? That is exactly what I would do. And by the way, before you list your items on eBay, make sure to try to sell it also on Facebook, because that way you don't have to pay eBay a fee of around 10%, okay? So just keep that in mind right there. Now, the last way to actually go ahead and make $100 every single day, this one is not that ethical, honestly, but it is a cool way to actually go ahead and make some money by not doing any work whatsoever in a way, okay? And all you have to do is you basically get hired to do a job, but then you go ahead and hire somebody else for less money, and you pay them the money, and then you go ahead and keep the difference. For example, I want to paint a house. They're paying me $100. I hire you for $50. I keep the difference around $50, and that way you did all the work, but I went ahead and basically kept $50 to myself. That is how it basically works. Now tell me, how do I do this online and on the internet? All you have to do is basically just go on Google and type in, for example, onlinejobs.ph, okay? So online jobs ph right here, okay? And click the first link right here. And this is basically a marketing website, but basically just in, for example, the Philippines. That way you hire people from the Philippines and basically get to hire them for a cheap price, and then get hired in the US and have them do the work for you. That way you get to keep the difference, and that is basically how it works. So for example, if I wanted a video editor, okay, video editor, I could actually go here, hire video editor, search them up. By the way, you need an account to actually do this, and hire this guy right here. He gets paid around, he has a bachelor's degree. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But let's say, for example, I want to hire this lady right here, graphic designer and also video editor. The answer is they want around $20,000 in like Philippine money, okay? That's only around $422 in US money. Let's zoom in right here, that way you guys can actually see everything that I'm actually saying here. Zoom in right here. Look at this, $422 every single month. And that's only around $3.20 an hour to actually edit your videos for you and design things for you. Now tell me, okay, I found someone, what exactly do I do now? The answer is just go on Upwork and look up, for example, video editors, okay? Video editors. And this way you see, for example, hey, they get paid between $40, $56, $90. But also look up, for example, people that already have gotten paid more than $1,000. That way you find people that are actually getting money out there, okay? 1K or more. This guy right here gets paid around 40, 56, 90, 15, 100. So now you start applying for jobs on Upwork, then go ahead to onlinejobs.ph, hire this lady right here and pay her $3.20 when you're actually going ahead and getting paid $50 an hour. And that way you get to keep the difference, okay? And that's why I say it's not really ethical, because basically she's doing all the work while you're basically just going ahead and collecting money. But again, you are giving somebody a job and giving a business very high quality work at the same time. So in reality, if you want to do this the right way, basically, I would keep around 80% of the money for myself, right? But then also give the employee, right, the person you actually hired, give them a bonus whenever they do work completed. That way they get a piece of the puzzle. Well, that way they get a piece of the pie and actually get some extra money. But that's a way to actually go ahead and make some extra money online. And by the way, they offer, for example, data entry, video editing, design. A lot of jobs actually are here, okay? That way, if you want to, get hired, have them do the work, keep the difference, and that way you're good to go. But guys, those are 3 ways to actually go out there and make some money online or from home without having to do any work whatsoever, really. Okay, this is, really, because you are doing work, but in reality, not that much work at all. Comment down below and let me know exactly which one do you actually want to do. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. As always, if you're right here, well, like this video. On top of that, also, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. If you want to talk to me or text me, go to my Patreon, link down below. Send me a DM on Instagram, TommyBryson. Or before I go, if you want to see a video on how to make money 3 ways with just your cell phone, here's a video right here. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.